The TL7 also allows users to cast their device's display without installing the Screenshare app. This way of sharing, what we refer to as webcasting, is especially useful for guests and visitors to share their display to the touchscreen quickly and easily. Just a quick note though, screen sharing this way does not give touch functionality on the touchscreen. Hence, you will not have the ability to control your device using touch on the panel. Moreover, the touchscreen and your device need to be on the same network. For more information on what that means, I recommend watching the first video on One Screen Share. The link is in the description. Before using Chromecast for the first time, we must turn on the Share Screen via Website option inside the One Screen Share settings on your touchscreen. Then, note the 6 or 8-digit code visible on the screen, as we will need it in the upcoming steps. Now, on your personal device, open any browser and search for share.onescreensolutions.com. Enter the code we noted from the Share app on the touchscreen. Make sure that both the devices are connected to the same network. Once you enter the code, choose if you want to share the entire screen of your PC or a particular window of a program for privacy. Moreover, you can also choose to share the system audio while sharing. This allows audio to play out from the TL7 speakers instead of your personal devices. Once screen sharing is started, click here to enter full screen mode if not already, here to pause the screen sharing, or here to exit webcasting.